Draincoil by Vinidex is a flexible drainage pipe used to solve excess groundwater in your garden. Draincoil is made from 100% recycled content and is 100% recyclable at end of life. An Aussie-made product that's good for our environment. Draincoil is used to remove excessive groundwater on your property and from behind retaining walls, reducing water buildup. Depending on the level of water needed to be shifted, use a smaller pipe for less water or a bigger pipe to drain more water. We have 3 types of Draincoil, ranging from 50 to 160 mm. Unslotted is generally used to shift water from A to B. Slotted unsocked pipe is used for free-flowing soil or gravel that surrounds the pipe. Slotted socked pipe used in areas where slots could be easily blocked from certain soils. This one is recommended for most applications. If unsure, a volume guide is available on our website. Next is to plan out where the pipe will go. Questions you need to ask. What size of pipe do I need? Am I moving water, fixing a groundwater issue, or sorting out drainage at the back of a retaining wall? If it's groundwater including retaining wall drainage, do I need a filter sock to filter out any dirt that could potentially clog up the system? How much pipe do I need and fittings? Do I need any bends, connections or end caps? How am I connecting to the stormwater system? Can water just run off into another area of the property? Dial before you dig. Know where and check for gas, electrical and water pipelines and avoid them. Get a professional if you're unsure. What tools would I need to complete the job? Here are some suggested tools to use. You may not have the exact tools available, so substitute where you need to. All installation instructions can be found in the back of the label or by following the QR code. For this application, we need 65 mm slotted socked drain coil. Firstly, work out where the high points are to ensure the pipe is running from a high point to a low point. Water isn't very good at running uphill, so your high point will be the furthest point away from the connection to the drain. Mark out the area of the trench with pegs and string line. Trench width should be around the width of a standard spade, approximately 200 mm. As a general rule, the trench should have a minimum fall of 1 in 100. Which means every 100 meters, the pipe should fall 1 meter. In this example, we have approximately 6 meters of trench drain coil, so our fall should be 60 millimeters from the high point to the drain connection low point. As we already know the width of the trench, the depth should be around 300 millimeters. An easy guide for that is the height of a typical spade blade. Make sure you know where your services are. As you can see, we have a gas line running through the backyard. Please be careful not to disturb live services. It's important to evenly layer the base layer at a depth of 50 mm under drain coil, ensuring it isn't sitting directly on dirt regardless if you use a socked pipe or not. Use drainage metal, blue metal or screenings metal with a rock size of 10 mm to 13 mm recommended. Lay pipe ready to connect to the drain system. Make sure the pipe is still going downhill so the water does too. Naturally, water captured by drain coil has to be drained somewhere. The easiest way is to run it through an existing storm drain. There are several ways to connect to the drain. The easiest is connecting to an existing system like the pit shown here. In some instances, a reducing coupler will need to be used. We've used a 65 mm socked slotted drain coil with 100 to 65 reducer has been used. Attach using a screw or adhesive tape to secure the joint, as glue can't be used. If no pit connection is available, simply connect to PVCT and transition to an existing PVC drainage line. If you're installing drain coil around areas or corners in your garden, cut off your length of drain coil and use T's or bends to make the right connections and joints. Block any open-ended water flow with end caps if required. Otherwise, water flowing out of these areas could cause pooling. Once your pipe is in place, add in embedment fill to cover the top of the pipe with the same stuff used in your base layer. Make sure the drainage metal is worked around the sides of the pipe for support. A 50 to 150 mm layer over the pipe is recommended. Next, start backfilling with the soil you dug out. If your backfill is clay, don't use it. Clay usually acts as an aquitard, hindering the flow of water, and you'll continue to have issues. In sandy areas, always use socked drain coil, as this will improve drainage. It's now ready to be filled out with grass and planting. And that's it. Draincoil is made from 100% recycled content, is fully recyclable at end of life. An Aussie-made product that's good for the environment. For further support, call Vinidex on 13 11 69.